Hey, what is up, guys? Level Tech here. I'll be destroying this in a future video. This is the Motorola. Let me check it real quick. BQ50. It is a flip phone. Let me turn my light on so I can show you guys. Record on my camcorder today. Wrong one. Here we go. Okay. So, put the screen back. This one. We'll be destroying. You can see all the nice detail on this thing, but it ain't gonna look pretty anymore. Oh, sorry. Put the back cover on. As you can see, BQ50 Motorola track phone. So yeah, if I can get this, come on. We'll be destroying this pretty soon. Seriously, look at this. The back piece already came off. There. Now it'll come off again. No, it does not. We'll also be destroying this. It's iPod Nano right here. Still works and everything. It's just that, you know, not a fan of Apple anymore, so yeah. That'll be another story. That's a story for another day. Oh guys, let me turn my fan all the way high. Alright. Focus. Focus. Now, how far can I zoom? All the way to a tree? Wow, that's far. Man. Isn't that good? The wind reduction is. So yeah. This camera shoots 1080p at 60 frames per second, as you can see. Got my charger plugged in. LG. There's my AC plug. My phone's charging. So yeah. Also, I will be destroying this. Oh, low battery. Piece of crap. Can't even stay on for 2 days. Or a week at least. Standby, come on. So yeah. We'll be destroying you. You will be destroyed. So yeah. As you can see, pretty good camera. Cost like $250 at the time, about 2012. So, yeah. And it goes like I'm gonna say at least 20. Let me check. 21x. See? That's where it goes to. Here's your other wide button. Oh yeah, and for your ports, you have micro HDMI. You have your power plug, DC volt, I think, I'm not sure, which is right here at the top. Here is your connector for your computer, where you can, like, you know, store your photos and videos on there. That's what's stupid. And you got your modes. They're right here. You got auto, sport continuous, smart portrait, and then all the other modes. Yeah. And then you have easy auto mode. Always keep on auto. It does not have manual, so it's just a budget camera I found for $89 on no, not eBay, I mean Amazon. Probably could have found on eBay for cheaper. Yeah. And you got different flash modes. You got auto, and you got no flash, flash, which is a full flash. Then you got scene. I'll just keep red eye reduction. So yeah. And you got macro mode. You have a timer. I think it's only for 10 seconds. Well, ain't that long. And you got their exposure compensation for dark environments. Then, for bright environments, you can lower it down. So yeah. You got the trash button. You got the zoom control right here. Video, you can take like, I think 30 minutes. Let me check the card. What's in here? So yeah, I have a 4 GB SD card in here. You can get any card, but this is pretty good though. Oh yeah, it takes 4. Yes, I said it. 4 AA's batteries. Now that's pretty crazy if you think of it. I mean, really, 4 AA's. Then you got your wrist strap here. Yeah, it shoots at 4K. It's a Vivitar. So you can tell there's no card in there. Man, I'm surprised it even has enough room for an HDMI port, small as it is. You got your buttons. So yeah. Alright, you got your menu button right here. See? Told you 4K, but it's only 25 frames. So yeah. Has no card in it though. Oh yeah, all the footage is on the card itself, which is, I'm using, by the way. So yeah. Then put it in this waterproof case. Yes, it's waterproof. See? Yeah. Maybe I still have the thing. Then, here's my computer, my gaming rig. You see, it's got two Blu-ray drives, or they're DVD, but still Blu-ray. You can read Blu-rays. They can burn Blu-rays. And here's the SD card readers and USBs. Then on the other side, you have a Firewire 400, 2 audio jacks, and 2 USB 2s. So yeah. Now on the back, there's a whole bear. Let me get on here real quick. It's gonna be a little hard to do since you know I'm holding the camera. Okay. Move, chair. Move. Alright, you guys can see me? Okay. Quick. It's gonna be a little hard to do. So as you can see, everything's right here. All my cords right there. Yeah. Then you got one of these all the way out there, connected to my laptop, the power port. So yeah. Let me get in here real quick. You guys can see my keyboard's connected right there. My mouse. Everything's right there.